Kylie, and I just wanted to hop on quickly and give my honest review on my Fullstar veggie chopper. This is something that I pull out multiple times a week in my kitchen to chop onion, veggies, anything. It works, you name it. Anything that you don't want to chop by hand, this can do it for you, and it works beautifully. So in here you can see this part is the part that actually pushes down against the blades to chop. It does have these bigger, you can do it in bigger cubes or to pop out that and put in the smaller cuts is what I probably use the most. Pops in easily like that. And then also on this side you can also do like spiralizing, so it has different attachments to be able to put on to spiralize as well. I'm going to show you real quick how it works with this onion that I need to chop. So I just put like a whole big chunk, if you can kind of see that, right in the center, and then you just give one big push and tiny pieces. So love that it also has like the measuring right here on the side so you can measure, but really easy to use. Like I said, I use it all the time in my kitchen for my prep. Just even my kids like to come help. Overall, this is truly a must buy. Use it all the time. Highly, highly recommend this one.